Hello YouTube, and today well, I have my stick thing. They have my model volcano that I built and showed off today at school. But the volcano really just, I wouldn't hurt a poor defenseless model volcano, but this would just get my goat. So here's what I'm gonna do. Well, let me tell you first. Well, it smelled like vinegar, and I had to carry it around the school all day, and it made me mad, and I'm going to destroy it with this stick. Yeah. Okay, so just let me set the camera up. Let me see how I can do that. There we go. And I'm going to go over, and I'm going to start whacking it with a stick. Here we go. There I go. Right. Yep, right in. Woo! Woo! Busted that. I made a piece of that action. A piece landed right behind the camera back here. Ha! Time to go again. Go! There we go! Ah! 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 Well, I think I've destroyed it enough. Well, there's a piece. Pieces of volcano all around. There it is. Shattered remains. Bye.